Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our video Civil 3D Subassembly Composer. In our previous videos, we have made this lane subassembly. Today, we will use some target parameters from here. Sometime in our road, we have a lane varies lane width. So for that, we have different width of the road at different station or lane, and also sometimes we need at elevation to target some elevation. For that purpose, we can use this edge is to target the offset or the elevation. So today we will use this. First of all, I will click on the target parameter, then I will create a parameter. When I create here parameter, in the types inside I have three options. Surface, already inside the Civil 3D we have surface target option. So for these two we will use how to attach this elevation target and offset target to our subassembly. From here I will select elevation. I will rename this as a edge of travel way elevation ELE. As I click here, the target parameter appear here because the elevation. I will write here the name edge of travel way elevation. I can use space here but cannot use here. Okay, for the elevation I will use 1 meter. Suppose when I use 1 meter, the elevation go above. You can see 0.5 and it down. Now I will click on the link L1 here, or I can select from here, and then I will come here. There is an option instead of delta x, there is an option elevation, the slope. For the slope, for delta x we will use offset. So for the elevation here you can see this ETW elevation appear here. I will select this one. Now you can see it attached to my elevation. If I change this elevation 0.25, you can see it's attached now to this elevation option. The same like I can use offset, edge of travel way offset. I will select from here the offset, and from here suppose this is 3.65, so I will select 4 meter, and here I will write edge of travel way offset. Okay, if I click fit to screen, the offset is somewhere here. If you can see here, and from here if you select on this you can move to here and here. Okay, now I will click on the offset, this lane 1, and here you can see offset target override delta x. It will override this lane width. Already I give this, but when I select this one, it's mean it's overriding here. Now you can see if I move my this offset target, my subassembly moving with this one. The elevation same like elevation, it is going down and up. From here you can also adjust. So like this, these two options. The third option, the surface we can target. If you go here in the corridor properties, here the set all targets already we have here. The offset elevation already we have, and the surface by default is a surface. You can select here the surface. From this offset elevation, this we created the offset, and for the width is offset, and the offset elevation is for the elevation. So like this you can create in Subassembly composer, your own offset and target for the edge of travel way. So this was today video. Hopefully you will practice on it. Okay, thank you.